So right now, you guys can see the main apps you guys get. So if you didn't import anything yourselves, you will notice these are your base apps and there's nothing more. So those are all the apps that you're gonna get in your iPad, brand new iPad. Anything else that you guys want to download, you're gonna have to go into the App Store and download it. There's a bunch of free apps and paid apps. Most social media apps are completely free, so keep that in mind. I've heard a lot of people saying that they're actually not, and they are. Actually, there's a bunch of apps that are free in the App Store and are paid in Android devices. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. These are the basics to set up your iPad. If you guys want to watch the manual, how to handle this guy and how to do everything, basically all the basics for your iPad, I do have a manual for it, so make sure to check that out. And as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.